Common Purpose has partnered with British Council Bangladesh to deliver Lead Bangladesh project. It has different elements and different components. And the idea was to bridge the gap between the Bangladeshi diaspora leaders in the UK and the young leaders in Bangladesh. So British Council Bangladesh worked with young leaders in Bangladesh. They were affiliated with local partners working on social action projects. And then Common Purpose partnered with British Council to deliver leadership development programs for both young leaders and the diaspora leaders.
We have been working with around 3,000 young people to equip them with the right skills and the knowledge to take some social action. We are working on 3 themes: climate action, entrepreneurship, and civic engagement.
So Common Purpose has a long-standing partnership with the British Council. We've been working with the British Council globally and locally, but this particular partnership with the British Council in Bangladesh is really exciting. It's all about how do we work together, and our 2 organizations, how do we come together to support the leaders of the future in Bangladesh to really deliver strong social action on the ground.
My main takeaway from the Joint Vision workshop so far is having different kind of experiences, learning through the stories, through the conventions. I have had a reflection of my own leadership skills and the journey.
So I'm really grateful for the program, that I'm taking the main theme that should drive me through, push me through my journey. Leading beyond authority, that deeply struck me and my mind, that I can also lead things that which is not in my control by focusing on some simple things that isn't with me, but I just have to discover it.
This collaboration with the diaspora leaders helped them to think beyond Bangladesh. So they are now thinking of not only solving their community problems, but they are thinking of how to collaborate with international networks and how to share their knowledge globally.
Common Purpose's purpose is to support those who are trying to make an impact in society by giving them the skills, the knowledge, the tools, the inspiration to effect change. And the fact that Common Purpose is an opportunity to have access, both access and to create sparks of learning with these young people in Bangladesh is incredibly exciting.